Hello, I am Dr. Runumi Devi Bodhakur of Rainforest Research Institute. I am one of the Chief Technical Officer of this institute. Presently, our institute being undertaken a project on bamboo circle production and briquetting to the forest fringe villages of Karbi Anglong district of Assam. And this project has been sponsored by National Mission of Himalayan Studies. I am the lead proponent of the project.
The main objective of the project is value addition, to discarded or useless bamboos and to use it to promote self-reliance. We know that bamboos are found in abundance in Assam and they have many uses. These bamboos are used to build houses and make many of the things used in our daily life. But a lot of bamboos are wasted while making them. These wasted or discarded bamboos are used to produce bamboo circle. The advantage is that the heat energy of this circle is much more than that of wood circle and mineral coal. Moreover, the smoke produced by bamboo circle is quite less. Hence, the demand for bamboo circle has increased greatly in recent times. Now let us see how this process takes place. To produce bamboo circle, we need a special kind of furnace which is called the bricklin. It is a dome-shaped furnace made of bricks and mud. There is a door in the bottom of the structure. There are holes made at specific distances on the whole body of the furnace to release the smoke. The bamboos are placed inside the furnace through the door and stacked perpendicularly. But before that, we should ensure that the moisture content of the bamboos is 15% to 20%, and the bamboos are cut according to the height of the furnace like this. At first, we place 2 crossers and then stack the bamboos perpendicularly one by one. After the bamboos are placed, the door is closed, keeping a hole at the bottom. This hole is used to ignite the bamboos. In order to ensure that all the bamboos inside the furnace are burnt properly, the flame is controlled using a blower which pushes the fire. Gradually, the smoke starts coming out of the holes. At first, black smoke comes out. After 2 to 3 hours, when the smoke becomes thinner and whitish in color, the holes are blocked one by one from the top. This is done to prevent oxygen from entering the furnace again. Now, pyrolysis takes place inside the furnace. This is done in the absence of oxygen because in the availability of oxygen, the bamboos will burn into ashes. Let the combustion continue for 2 days. On the second day, if we find that the outer part of the furnace has cooled down, we open the door and take the circle out. But if the furnace is still hot, we should first pour water on the furnace to cool it down before opening the door. In this way, we can produce circle from bamboo. Bamboo circle has vast uses such as in water filters, laundries, various factories, deodorants, and to increase the fertility of the soil. These days, bamboo circle is the first preference for hotels and restaurants for preparing barbecue chicken as it is less polluting. Hence, it is crushed into powder and mixed with adhesive substances to make briquette. Briquette is prepared by mixing adhesive substances like wheat flour, starch, tapioca and cassava, etc. With circle powder, which is then put under pressure and made into lumps with the help of a special machine. This machine is called briquette. We can make this briquette in various shapes as we like. The briquette is quite thick, so it burns for a long time. The briquettes produced in the Rainforest Research Institute have the ability to generate heat for as long as 6 hours. It is very simple to produce bamboo circle. It only requires desire to work and goodwill on the part of the people. For any further information, you may contact Director RFRI Jorhat. Thank you.